Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this time it is for Samsung M33 5G. Hindi ko na papakita sa inyo yung unboxing ng phone kasi wala naman siyang laman, and na-unbox ko na yung phone few days ago para matest ko na rin siya for this video. So ito lang, pakita ko sa inyo yung box. Manipis lang siya, ayan, para sleeve type siya. Upon opening ng box, yung phone nakabalot sa plastic, and nakasulat sa plastic is 120Hz display refresh rate, quad camera, and 25 watts fast charge. Wala na rin siyang free casing. The Type-C from end to end na charging port. The papers, to card, to, and then nandito is yung SIM ejector pin. So ito na yung phone. Na-register ko na yung fingerprint ko dito sa side. So, unlocking siya through the side. I-lock natin yung phone. Then, unlock. Mabilis lang siya. What I like sa screen ng M-Series is very colorful. Colorful yung wallpaper na M-Series. So, cute siya. Unang impression ko dito is mabigat yung phone. Because this phone weighs 198 grams. With Gorilla Glass 5 ito. And then, sa likod is plastic siya. Pero ang ganda ng pagkagawa ng plastic niya. Tanggalin natin yung sticker. NTC sticker. Balik natin mamaya. Yeah. Para sa metallic color na plastic. See? And of course, ito yung camera. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quad camera siya. On left side on the phone is, andito yung volume control. Ito yung home button. And ito na yung pang-unlock ng phone. And then sa bottom of the phone, andito ang headphone jack. So meron siyang headphone jack and USB Type-C charging port, the loudspeaker, and the mic. Andito siya. On the side ng phone, nandito siya yung SIM card tray. So we have 2 SIM cards and 1 memory card allowed on this phone. So okay siya. Pwede siya dual SIM standby. On top of the phone, there's another mic. The display type of the screen is TFT LCD Super Smooth 120Hz display. The screen size is 6.6 inches. Mas gusto ko yung bigger screen size. Kita mo yung bezels, pero medyo malaki lang na. Medyo malaki lang siya. The resolution is 1080 by 2408 FHD+. So again, this is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. This is run by Android 12 One UI 4.1, and the chipset of this phone is Exynos 1280. So meron siya memory card slot dito, and this is expandable up to 1 terabyte. So good for saving pictures and more videos on this phone and multimedia files. Yung color na nakuha ko is color green, and meron pang available colors na color blue and brown. Maganda rin yung brown. Pero green nakuha ko, and again, ang ganda ng pagka-plastic na metallic, hindi halata. The battery capacity of this phone is 5,000 mAh. So for me, na-experience ko siya that it can last up to 2 to 3 days pag naka-standby lang siya, naka-idle lang siya, using for Facebook and other multimedia. But the problem is when playing games. Parang mas mabilis mag-drain yung battery when playing games compared dun sa 5,000 mAh ko na A73 5G na phone ko. Medyo mas mabilis siya ng 1% mag-drain when playing games on this phone. Now, for the camera, the main camera is 50 megapixels, 5 megapixel ultra-wide, 2 megapixel depth, and 2 megapixel macro. It can record video 4K up to 30 FPS. Meron din siyang 1080p at 60 FPS and 30 FPS. It can zoom up to 10 times. Now, for the selfie camera, ito yon, teardrop shape. This is 8 megapixels. And it can only record 1080p at 30 FPS. Yung selfie camera niya, pwede siya mag-zoom out. Pwede siya mag-wide yung front camera niya for selfie photo. Pero when it comes to video sa front, nagka-crop siya, masyadong malapit. So you need a selfie stick to record yourself sa video. Now here are the sample videos and pictures taken from this phone. So, nakita nyo na yung mga samples ng videos and photos on this phone. Okay, photos and videos for me, it's above average. And napansin niyo very colorful yung pictures, especially sa macro shots. Although hindi masyadong crisp yung picture quality ng macro shot, pero nakita mo na rin yung details. Hindi lang masyadong sharp, pero very colorful, di ba, yung macro shot. And for general picture, maganda na rin siya for me. And of course, the videos, of course, I like the 4K 30fps. And also the 1080p 60fps na video quality. So okay sa akin yung video. Huwag lang tayo masyadong malikot maglakad kasi masyadong shaky talaga yung video. So you need also a gimbal for this one. Except pag ginagamit ninyo yung OIS o yung super steady, okay rin siya. And for the low light picture, nag-take ako sample ng picture sa medyo madilim. Ano siya palubog na yung araw niya, medyo madilim na, pero may konting araw pa rin siya. Yung pag-capture ng photo, brighter siya, mas bright siya. So, okay pa rin siya sa low light. Ang Samsung naman, basta merong source of light, kahit gabi na, maganda yung shots niya. Nababrighten up niya yung paligid pag merong source of light sa night shots. So, yun ang maganda sa Samsung ko. Sa selfie video, okay naman siya, pero masyadong malapit nga yung mukha mo pag on mo ng camera for the video. So, kailangan gumamit ng selfie stick and stable naman siya. While walking, hindi masyadong makalog yung front camera for the video. So, okay siya for vlogging. For the gaming, I played Mobile Legends and meron siyang refresh rate na up to high. And the graphics is smooth, medium, and high. Medyo laggy siya na experience ko while playing. So, in-adjust ko yung refresh rate up to high. And the graphics is up to medium. In-adjust ko na rin yung game performance sa Game Booster. Punta lang tayo sa Game Settings and type ninyo Game Booster. Yan, lalabas sa Game Booster Settings. And then, punta kayo sa Game Optimization. Naka-performance siya and in-adjust ko siya up to standard. Yan, so okay siya. Nakatipid na nga sa battery and medyo umokay yung game performance ng Mobile Legends. So, isa pang na-experience ko on this phone is while playing games is umiinit siya. Nakakonect ako sa Wi-Fi and hindi ako nakakonect sa mobile data. So, kayo guys, na-experience nyo na rin ba uminit yung game dito sa phone na to? Sa M33 5G while playing Mobile Legends? Ako medyo uminit kanina. Naglaro ako ulit, tinesting ko yung phone. Uminit talaga siya. So, hindi ko alam kung dahil sa chipset or any other reason for this phone. I enjoyed watching videos on this phone, especially on YouTube dahil nasa screen size siya na 6.6 inches. And surprisingly, very colorful yung mga videos na napapanood ko sa phone. Hindi siya umiinit while watching video, so this is okay. It has loudspeaker, although it only has one loudspeaker is on the bottom of the phone. Unlike sa A33, merong speaker sa taas, dual. Ito lang, sa ilalim lang. But, maganda naman yung speaker niya, loud and clear naman yung sound niya. So, no problem for me. And, ang pinakagusto ko dito, meron siyang earphone jack. Ito. So, most of my earphone kasi is wired. Isa lang yung wireless earphone ko nasira pa. So, good. For me, I like this one. What I liked on this phone is meron siyang radio. Yung nga lang dapat na connect yung earphone ninyo, headphones, wired earphones. So, ito yun. May radio siya. So, meron siyang radio. Okay siya. I wonder kung pwede ito ikabit sa Bluetooth speaker. Yung radio. Hindi ko pa natatry. But at least may radio siya. And then this phone can charge up to 25 watts. So wala siyang charger. Binili po tayo ng 25 watts charger. Siyempre yung branded and then trusted na brand na compatible sa phone natin. So up to 25 watts charging tong phone. So kahit bumili kayo ng 30 watts charger, up to 25 watts lang kaya niyang i-charge. Mabilis na rin for me. No problem. And then this one, I kept forgetting to mention that this phone has a RAM Plus. So, pwede siyang extend yung RAM niya. We go to settings. And then just type RAM Plus. And pwede ka mag-choose ng 2GB additional RAM, 4GB, 6GB, and 8GB additional RAM. So, your RAM Plus uses your phone storage space to provide virtual memory. So, ginagamit niya ang internal memory ng phone. So, by the way, yung specs ng phone na kinuha ko is 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal memory. And then, of course, meron siyang NFC and then ang ating paboritong secured folder. Meron na rin pala siyang live captioning. Naalala ko nga pala. Meron din dati sa Note 20 ko live caption. And then, of course, I like dark mode. Kayo guys, gusto nyo dark mode o light mode? Nasisila ko sa light mode So, more on dark mode ako. Although yung FB ko is light mode. Instagram ko is dark mode. And the price of this phone is 13,490 pesos only on the Samsung website. Alam ko discounted price ito eh. So, why don't you guys check out on the Samsung website PA? M series can be bought only online. Although meron siya sa physical stores, pero medyo retail price sila eh. Walang discount eh. So, mas better bilhin lang kayo sa online ng Samsung website. And this phone is made in Vietnam. What I like about this phone is good performance. Okay na yung performance when it comes to game. I also played other games like Mario Kart. Enjoyable naman siya. Hindi nagalag. Mobile Legends yung minsan mapapansin mo talaga na lagi siya. And then, taking pictures and videos on this phone, I enjoyed also for this one. And of course, watching videos because it is 6.6 inches yung screen size niya. So, kayo guys, for the price of 14,490 pesos, will you get this phone? For me, yes. Kasi 5G na rin to eh. And then 8 and 128 specs niya. So, okay na rin. Sulit na rin for me. Meron na rin siyang earphone. Ito. So, kulang na lang siguro bibili na ako screen protector for this phone and the casing. Although maganda na yung likod eh. So, baka maganda yung clear set. So, maganda yung siguro yung clear na lang na casing on this phone. So, guys, again, will you get this phone? Yes or no? Let me know in the comments below. So once again guys, thank you for watching this video and I hope to see you soon again. Bye!